Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. First, confirm your Xbox controller supports Bluetooth and that Windows 10 or 11 has Bluetooth enabled. Make sure the controller has fresh batteries or is charged at least 20% so it won't drop during pairing. Now on your PC Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and click Add Device. Once done, leave that dialog open while you put the controller into pairing mode so Windows can find it immediately. Put the controller into pairing mode by holding the Xbox button to power on, then press and hold the small pair button for 3 to 5 seconds until the Xbox button flashes rapidly. On your PC, select Add Bluetooth Device and choose Xbox Wireless Controller when it appears. Windows will install drivers automatically. This can take a few seconds. If you see a pairing code prompt, decline it. This controller uses secure simple pairing. Once paired, test the controller in a game or open the Xbox Accessories app to verify firmware and button mapping. If input is laggy or the controller disconnects, make sure it isn't still linked to an Xbox console. Press and hold the controller pair button near the console to unlink, or toggle your PC Bluetooth off and on and try repairing. As a key troubleshooting tip, update your PC's Bluetooth drivers or use the official Xbox wireless adapter for a more stable connection if Bluetooth proves unreliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.